Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 188. We expected natural gas to stay in selling, maintaining 192 as a resistance and 193 as stop loss. Right after the opening, the price consolidated for a very long time, went up near 190, and it again came down to 188 and closed near 189, and we didn't had a much volatile market, 2 to 3 point swing, that's all. Today you can expect price to open within 190 and 189. Based on IMAX price direction, we are predicting the price opening, so no change in the strategy. Still you can go for selling till 192 by placing stop loss near 193. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.